Alright, so I'm going to try to get this lathe off of the roll around base that I set it on a while back. Just gonna carefully block it, jack it up to get a little bit of clearance to get the 4x4s out from underneath of it. Then when we're ready, we'll lower it down ever so slowly. All right, so see this, it's all the room we need. Don't want to get it too high. Good to go. Actually gonna see if this block slides under. It doesn't, so I do need to take it up a little bit higher. That's okay. All right, there it is. Perfect. Now we'll lower the jack a little bit. All right, perfect. Yeah, let me check that. Other side. Get this side as well. The other side's not quite where it needs to be. There we go. See, that should slide in there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, now we're clearly off both sides here, so I can get those 4x4s basically pulled out. The goal again is to get this roll around cart out from underneath so that I can get the big DoAll grinder on it. Okay, well here we are again with the South Bend lathe coming off of the roll around rack. And so right now I just got it kind of jacked up there. I got it a little too close to the wall for the rack, but it's kind of, I'm a little stuck with it now. So what I did was I just jacked it up in one point on this light end here, just on the tailstock end. Cleared the boards. And now we can take these out. That rack is basically loose. So what I'll do now, I can just, you know, carefully pull the rack this way, and it stops on the jack. But now I can put blocks up on that far side and lower it down, and then put blocks here and lower it down, and then basically do the process again until I get the rack out. All right, so we were able to get that the little roll around cart out from underneath of it with no incident. There's the cart, pretty big. So yeah, next step, gradually lower the lathe down all the way to the floor by removing about 1.5 inches each time we jack it up per side. So I'll take 1.5 inches off one side, and I'll do it again on the other until it's all the way down to the ground.